All right, so we just got the little man his own custom middle bump seat for the RZR. Goes in between our seats. It just showed up. Company out of Utah makes these, I think, custom. Anyways, he set it out. It got here in 2 days. With this pandemic going on, that's really fast. Pretty excited. Let's unbox it, see what's inside. Pretty excited. Wow, this thing is super light. That's way bigger than I thought it'd be. That looks comfy. Alright, so here's Tristan's custom bump seat. This thing looks nice. You can zoom in, it looks like it has like a carbon fiber pattern to it with the leather or whatever it is. But this thing is really nice. Yeah, these guys, gosh, what was it? I think it's UTV Mountain Accessories out of Utah. And these guys sent it really fast with their shipping. Really good, high quality, it looks like. Really impressed. It comes with the bracket, obviously, to bolt it right on. Comes with the 4-point harness, too, all for $200. And he shipped it out super fast. Good tracking information. And so, gonna be excited to throw it on the machine. Can't wait. 4-point harness, all the bolting hardware. Kim has nice little cushy pads, so that way it doesn't rub your neck raw. So it should be really comfortable. But once again, it is UTV Mountain Accessories. There's the phone number. And looks really great. Love it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the bolts here and here. Once we take out each seat, then we'll have access to those bolts, have more room to work with. Then we just bolt on the seat and put the seat belts back on, put the seats back in, and it should work pretty darn good. Alright, let's crank them loose. Seat custom comes with extra hardware for the longer bolts, and it comes with simple step-by-step. It's pretty basic. So we're going to be just putting it right in here and then put our seat belts back. I don't even remember which way they were, something like that, or anyways. But yep, let's slap it together, see how she looks. Pretty sweet little seat though. And look at the just it's like carbon fiber look to it. So I messed up the first time, forgot about the harness, of course, that's what I do. So anyways, you could see in here, seatbelt went on the inside, and then the harness bolts to the outside. It's kind of a knuckle jam. I dropped a bolt in there a couple times, had to get it. Fun stuff. After a little bit of cussing, you'll get it. Anyways, it looks something like this. And I had the seatbelt coming out here, so now I'm going to cinch everything down. Harness is going to come up, go through right here, out the back side, and then she's going to mount to your bar right here. So, pretty simple. Alright, let's cinch it up. Alright, so we got her bolted in. Then you just click your main seats back in. It's a really tight fit. Click one in, pull on this, and then click that one in. Have someone pulling on this one as you click that one in. Anyways, really tight fit, but really roomy. I'm just gonna feed the straps through here. Yeah, we'll do that later. But pretty sweet. I mean, it looks really good. So, awesome deal.